Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites so commands behave predictably. First, install Azure CLI and authenticate. This gives you an authenticated context. Then, make sure your subscription and resource group permissions allow latch operations, because lacking RBAC will break runs. Once done, install or update the Azure Latch extension. This provides the specific commands we use next. Do this now, because subsequent steps assume the extension and permissions are present. If not, commands will fail with clear authorization errors. You run the core sequence to engage a latch. Begin by creating the latch instance with as-latch create and target the right resource group. This provisions control metadata. Next, apply your configuration file using as-latch apply so the service enforces the desired state. Use incremental mode to avoid replacements. Then, inspect progress with as-latch show and parse the JSON status field to decide next steps. If an operation stalls, rerun apply with verbose logging, so you capture errors and timings. You finish by cleanly releasing the latch and verifying outcomes. Use as-latch release with confirm to allow final changes. This prevents accidental rollbacks. After release, audit activity logs to verify who triggered actions and when, because auditing explains unexpected state drift. If something goes wrong, run as-latch diagnose to collect debug info and compare current config against your desired file to pinpoint diffs. Make sure to capture timestamps and error messages. Those are the quickest route to a targeted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.